Welcome to Watchat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. It's 1st of September and Rolex got some announcement to make regarding their new models as well as their discontinued ones. Since I'm around one of their ADs, I thought of checking them out to see what they have. And this is what I found. Before that, let's check out what they have announced on their website. Interestingly, the new releases from Rolex for the year 2020 are limited to only the Submariner, the Datejust, the Oyster Perpetual, as well as the Sky Dweller. For the Submariner, as predicted by many, the Hulk is no longer there. It's been discontinued. And what we have here interestingly is that all the Submariner has been upgraded to a 41mm case size instead of the 40mm case. The Rolex Kermit is back, and I believe what we have here is a star of the show, which is the blue bezel with the black dial. For the blue bezel sub, it is not made out of stainless steel, but it is made out of white gold instead. Although Rolex has increased the size of the watch, it did do away with the maxi case. As you can see, the watch is now slimmer. The new generation Submariner and Submariner Date models are equipped with the caliber 3230 as well as the 3235 respectively. It is a self-winding mechanical movement that is entirely developed by Rolex. In this case, they are fitted with an exclusive blue paracord hairspring that's up to 10 times more precise than a traditional hairspring in case of shocks. The power reserve for this particular watch is now increased to 70 hours. In case you didn't know, the caliber 3235 is the same caliber used in the Datejust 41, which has a power reserve of 70 hours as well. Not that it matters, not that we are complaining, but it's just interesting to note why did Rolex increase the case size of the Submariner Date. As for the Datejust, Rolex has introduced only one model here, and that is the Datejust 31. This is measured 31mm case size with a white gold and diamond bezel. This also has the interesting purple dial on it. For the Sky Dweller, Rolex has basically introduced the rubber strap to the yellow gold and rose gold case instead. As far as I can tell, everything remains the same. Now let's talk about the Oyster Perpetual, which I believe it has the biggest change and will get most people talking about it. The new OP is now limited to 28mm, 31mm, 36mm, and get this, 41mm. Rolex has basically done away with the 39mm OP. As you can see, depending on the size of course, the OP provides a huge variety of dial colors. When I first saw this, I said to myself, what is Rolex thinking? But I guess Rolex is trying to appeal to the younger generation by providing these varieties. I mean, look at it. Some of them are really loud, and some of them are pretty subtle. Anyway, apart from the aesthetics, the heart of the Oyster Perpetual 41 and 36 are equipped with the caliber 3230, which has a power reserve of approximately 70 hours. As for the OP31 and 28, it is powered by the 2232 movement. Now I hate to burst some of your bubbles there, but the pre-existing Yachtmaster 2, Milgauss and Air King remains to be present. There are rumors out there which states that when Rolex launch its new models on the 1st of September, the ADs will also have them ready on display. Since I finished my meeting early and I just so happened to be near one of the ADs, I thought of checking them out. And this is what I found. They do not have the new models on display. Notwithstanding that, I had some fun time going through their Datejust. Anyway, if you like this kind of video, please do me a favor and hit that like, share and subscribe button. I'll really appreciate it, and I'll promise to upload more videos like this. Until the next one, thank you for watching.